Hi, I'm Nicole of BeachTech. Today I want to show you the Cherrington 3000 mobile screener.
What's a mobile screener?
That's a great question. With this machine, we're able to dig below the top layer of earth, sifting out rocks, trash, and other harmful debris while immediately returning the clean dirt or sand to the surface. This is the perfect machine for cleaning beaches, arenas, dirt tracks, ballparks, or other landscaping projects. Back in 2017, BeachTech acquired Cherrington Mobile Screeners. Since then, we've incorporated their product line. And as you can see, this is our smaller of our self-propelled units, about the size of a large riding mower and just as easy to operate. There's a 3-foot working width, an easily accessible 24 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, a 1/3 of a yard hopper capacity, and a 5-foot dump height. Another great feature of this machine is the easy screen change. Removing just one bolt, you can easily swap out between one of our 4 different screen sizes, allowing you to sift out any size debris your application requires. Hey, have you heard about our promotional pricing? You should contact us now to learn more. Now, this is a great machine for a rental fleet or everyday professional use. Being self-propelled means there's no need for a tractor, there's no hassle setting it up, and there's no additional equipment necessary. You just start it up and it's ready to go. So let's show you how this thing works. The Cherrington 3000 utilizes our durable fixed screen lift and sift technology. Using the digger point in the front, it lifts up the base material. Then this overhead conveyor system drags that material up the oscillating screen, dropping the debris into the hopper and allowing your base material to return to the surface. With straightforward controls and easy to read gauges, the Cherrington 3000 is ideal for operators of all experience levels. The Cherrington 3000 has an exclusive 3-wheel drivetrain that allows for a 0-degree turning radius. You are able to easily maneuver between and around obstacles and features. I hope you enjoyed learning about this practical and effective piece of equipment. Save time and make money with the Cherrington 3000. Please like, follow, and subscribe to Everything BeachTech, and stay tuned for more videos to come. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please post them in the comments below.
You ready?
Yes.
You ready now?
And I hope you learned